If the length of rectangle is reduced by 5 units and its breadth is increased by 3 units, then the area of the rectangle is reduced by 80 square unit. Question clear? However, if we increase its length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area is increased by 50 square units. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So फर्स्ट केस में हम लोग लेंथ को कम कर रहे हैं, ब्रेड्थ को बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो एरिया कम हो रहा है. सेकेंड केस में हम लोग लेंथ को बढ़ा रहे हैं और ब्रेड्थ को कम कर रहे हैं, तो एरिया बढ़ रहा है. Right? So we have two case here. So first let length be x and breadth be y unit. So what is the area then?
X into y.
Right,
Square
x
unit.
into y square units. So case 1, when length is reduced by 5 units, what will be length?
X minus
5.
Right, breadth is increased by 2 units. So what is breadth?
Y plus 2.
plus 2.
Y plus 2. Right, so new length is x minus 5 and new breadth will be y plus 2. Now what will be the new area?
X minus 5 into y plus 2.
Yes, new area will be x minus 5 is into y plus 2, and this new area is lesser than the original area by 80 square units. Whether that statement is clear? So xy, if you subtract these two, xy is the original area and this is the new area. If you subtract, you will get 80. Whether this statement is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. और यू कैन राइट न्यू एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स वाई माइनस 80. दूसरे तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो. अब इसको हम लोग को सॉल्व करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ओपन. सो एक्स वाई, ध्यान से देखो, इफ यू ओपन व्हाट यू विल गेट, एक्स वाई माइनस 5y प्लस विद इन द ब्रैकेट, ओके, 2x माइनस 10, और इसमें एक एक्स वाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो. ओके, सो 1xy विल बी कैंसल एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 2x प्लस 5y प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 80, एंड फाइनली विल गेट 5y माइनस 2x इज इक्वल टू 70. 10 को राइट साइड शिफ्ट कर देंगे. So first equation clear है सबको? Now we'll go for the case 2. When the length increased by 10 units, what is the new length?
X plus 10.
And the breadth is decreased by 5 units. What is the new breadth?
Y minus 5.
Right. So new area will be x plus 10 into y minus 5. And this is more than the original area. How much more? 50 square units. So we'll get x plus 10 into y minus 5 is minus xy is equals to 50. Or you can write new area is equals to old area plus 50. Now open this bracket. So what we will get, xy xy plus 10y minus 5x minus 50 minus xy is equals to 50. See carefully, this xy will be cancelled and we will get 10y minus 5x is equals to 100. Or you can divide all by 5. So 10y minus 5x is equals to 100. If you divide all by 5, you will get 2x minus x is equals to 20. Let it be equation number 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now the first equation was 5y minus 2x is equals to 70. Okay, 5y minus 2x is equals to 70. So what we will do, we will multiply this by 2 and subtracting the result. So we'll get this one. This we multiplied with 2. Now we are subtracting. So what we are going to get? इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, इसका भी सेम चेंज हो जाएगा. So this 2 will be cancelled. So y is equals to
30.
30.
right. We get y is equals to 30. So putting y is equals to 30 in second equation यहाँ पे. So we'll get 60 minus x is equals to 20. 60 minus x is equals to 20. इन दोनों को interchange कर लो. So x is equals to 60 minus 20, that is 40.
40.
40.
So hence the length is 40 units and the breadth is 30 units.